Good evening, sir. So, the story of computer is one of the most earliest and most well-known device was an abacus. Then in 1822, the father of computer is Charles Babbage began developing what would be the first mechanical computer, and then in 1883 he actually designed an analytical engine which was general purpose of computer. Then, history of computer. When we studied many aspects of computing and computer, it is important to know about the history of computer. Charles Babbage designed an analytical engine which was a general computer. It helps us understand the growth and progress. It also an important topic of competitive and banking exam. So, who create computer history? He is English mathematician and inventor. He is Charles Babbage. He is credited with having conceived the first automatic digital computer during the mid of 1830s. Charles Babbage was born on December 26, 1791 in London, died on October 18, 1871 in London. He was an English mathematician and inventor of first automatic digital computer. So what is the positive and negative impact of computer in our society? First is the positive impact of computer is easy to access, easy to get information to others. It improves our communication and access to information to others. Second is time saving. The negative impact of computer in our society. First is job loss. Many of people have no job, loss of income, and etc. Next is technology addiction. Many of people who are addicted in online games, social media, and etc.